thanks for watching this taco soup video. I hope you guys, like always, go home and try it on your own. Something I would say for this is it is a bigger portion than I usually make. It's kind of hard to make this one for just 2 people, but we usually make this for like game nights in the winter time, or if we want to have taco soup 2 nights in a row or bring it to lunch the next day, we go ahead and package it up so we can do that. So for my tricks and tips section, I'm going to be talking about the seasonings, the toppings, and then side dishes that can go with this. So first off, we'll start with the seasonings. The seasonings, depending on what you like in your soups or what tastes you like, you can add more or less seasonings to your desires. These seasonings are my staple seasonings that I use in it. My mom used it in her soup, her taco soup that she would make for us, and I just really enjoy those seasonings. If you wanted a little bit spicier, you could always add red pepper flakes or even a little bit more cayenne. For the toppings of this, I would say generally my family and I will use Fritos and cheddar cheese. You can use sour cream in there to give it a little bit more creamy texture and taste. Some other ideas that you could put in there is diced up jalapenos, crumbled bacon, queso fresco cheese. You could put onions and cilantro or even sliced up avocados. Just really make this your own. Whatever you like in your family for soups, go ahead and put it in there. And then the last section would be the side dishes. The first side dish I would recommend is a cornbread recipe, which I'll be posting here next week. The cornbread recipe I have it's a sweeter cornbread, but not too sweet, and it has a nice crisp edge around it. And some other side dishes you could do would be cinnamon rolls, Fritos, like I said before. You could do Ritz crackers with it. And then some other ideas would just be like garlic bread or garlic rolls, anything that you want. I love bread, and so I always add a bread dish to it. And if you want to know more about the cornbread recipe, check back here next week for that. If you have any recommendations for me or have any questions about this recipe, go ahead and put it in the comments below. If you want to continue looking at my content, go ahead and push that subscribe button.